An assemblé is a jump where you are joining both legs in the air before you land back down on the floor. Though considered quite a basic step, the assemblé is actually quite difficult to perform correctly and requires a lot of strength and coordination. Assemblés can be performed in many different directions, including en tournant. And because assemblés can have a beat, you will find that assemblés will feature in many petit allegro exercises within the ballet class. I'm going to begin with looking at the assemblé over, which basically means the leg that started at the back is going to come over and finish at the front. So for your assemblé, you're going to start with a demi-plie, and at the same time you're going to push the leg out to the side. So in this case, I will be pushing my back leg out, much like a battement tendu. From here, I'm going to push into the floor and jump, joining both legs together before landing back down in the fifth position. So I start with the leg at the back, take the demi-plie, push, join, and then land back down in the fifth position. Remember, in this type of assemblé, you are aiming not to travel. So you have to make sure that you're joining both legs together before you land back down in the fifth position. Often what happens for the assemblé is you'll take the back leg out, but then you fail to bring this leg in, so you end up moving over to the side in the assemblé. So it's really important that you activate both of your inside thighs right at the top of the jump. So make sure that the leg that you're standing on, so from here, is also doing the work to join together in the air before you land.
Thank you for watching. I will be sharing my new video for you next Thursday morning. Please do comment below if you have any thoughts or questions, and I look forward to seeing you next week.
Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have found this video useful. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then you can subscribe by clicking the icon below. The full-length videos can be found at my website, tipsonballettechnique.com. You can also choose your next video by clicking from the selection here. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.